پیارے بچوں، آج ہم اپوزٹ سیکھیں گے۔
big, small,
big, small,
up, down,
up, down,
full, half,
full, half,
cold, hot,
cold, hot,
empty, full,
empty, full,
happy, sad,
happy, sad,
one, many,
one, many,
sour, sweet,
sour, sweet,
push, pull,
push, pull,
short, tall,
short, tall,
rough, smooth,
rough, smooth,
dirty, clean,
dirty, clean,
black, white,
black, white,
closed, open,
closed, open,
in, out,
in, out,
hard, soft,
hard, soft,
old, young,
old, young,
fresh, stale,
fresh, stale,
front, back,
front, back,
heavy, light,
heavy, light,
fast, slow,
fast, slow,
left, right,
left, right,
fat, thin,
fat, thin,
expensive, cheap,
expensive, cheap,
new, old,
new, old,
day, night,
day, night,
near, far,
near, far,
ugly, pretty,
ugly, pretty,
weak, strong,
weak, strong,
inside, outside,
inside, outside,
good, bad,
good, bad,
high, low,
high, low,
same, different,
same, different,
ओह, क्या आपने अभी तक दायरे इल्म अदब को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया? अगर नहीं तो नीचे रेड कलर के बटन पर क्लिक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ये बिल्कुल फ्री है और सब्सक्राइब करने पर आपको चैनल की अपडेट्स मिलती रहेंगी। अल्लाह हाफिज।